Is it time to buy or sell quantum computing stock? In this video, we will explore the intricacies of quantum computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 22nd of November, 2024, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to remain informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to overlook any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the date of October 14th, 2024, our system has classified quantum computing as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance over this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 741.38% since we initially recommended purchasing quantum computing 30 days ago. This equates to an average return of 24.71% each day since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of the recent developments, we are unable to ascertain the stock's next movement, as it could potentially go in either direction. The stock has broken through a very wide and strong short-term upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. In the event of a pullback, there will now be support at the level of $4.63, which could present a second opportunity to capitalize on this momentum. According to fan theory, $6.99 is identified as the next potential peak level, representing a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 110% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 22.19% to positive 59.30%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 10.89% over the next year, with a possible return between negative 100% and negative 19.82%. This translates to a price range of $0 to $4.89 after a year. Our latest daily update for quantum computing includes the headline, "Significant movements in Quantum Computing Incorporated stock price on Friday, fluctuating between high and low by 41.91%. On the last trading day, which was Friday, the 22nd of November, 2024, the stock price of Quantum Computing Incorporated increased by 28.15%, rising from $4.76 to $6.10. This marks 4 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to observe whether this upward trend continues or if there will be a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 41.91%, with a low of $4.51 and a high of $6.40. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and has increased by 326.57% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 36 million shares, with a total of 96 million shares traded for approximately $587,280,000. It is important to consider that declining volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the days ahead. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $6.40, while the lowest price was 35.5 cents. Currently, the price is 4.69%, or 300 cents, below the 52-week high, and 75.67%, or $18.97, below the all-time high on the 21st of December, 2020, when the price peaked at $25.07. Quantum Computing Incorporated has made significant strides recently, announcing a second purchase order for its thin-film lithium niobate photonic chip foundry from the University of Texas at Austin. This development reinforces demand for its TFLN chips, which are essential for enhancing data transmission speeds while minimizing energy consumption, crucial factors as industries increasingly turn toward artificial intelligence and quantum computing technologies. In a notable prior update, QUBT secured its first major order from an Asian institute, highlighting strong early interest in its photonic chip solutions ahead of the commissioning of its foundry in Arizona, expected in the first quarter of 2025. However, the company's strategy has not been without its challenges. A recent direct offering registered for $40 million could lead to shareholder dilution, and with the competitive landscape growing, especially against firms like Hyperlight, timely execution and delivery will be critical for maintaining market share. On November 14th, QUBT's stock price surged over 92%, reaching its highest level since February, showcasing investor optimism, likely fueled by these recent orders and developments. While this momentum suggests a favorable outlook in the short term, sustained growth will depend on the company's ability to meet production timelines and fend off competition. Over the long term, successful commercialization of its technology could drive substantial revenue, making QUBT a potential player in the burgeoning quantum computing space. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 15th of April, 2024, it was reported that Ascendient assigned QUBT a buy grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned quantum computing stock a general sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong buy, and the price-to-book ratio also receives a strong buy rating. However, for return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for quantum computing. The stock of Quantum Computing Incorporated displays buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal arising from the relationship between these two signals, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support is anticipated at levels of $3.85 and $1.64. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, November 18, 2024, with the stock rising by 155.23% since then. Further increases are suggested until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has been indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This divergence between volume and price may serve as an early warning. Therefore, close attention to the stock is advised. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal from 27 days ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, a sell signal from 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 51 days ago. If we observe the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average, a sell signal from 33 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal from 39 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 41 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for quantum computing. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $4.76. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased, as a drop below the support may lead to a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable movement during the day, indicating high volatility. Furthermore, with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $1.89 between its high and low, representing an impressive 41.91%. In the past week, the stock has displayed a daily average volatility of 30.97%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for quantum computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that a company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest adequate profits and the potential risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 31st of March, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for quantum computing. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, quantum computing encounters its first support level at $4.76. If this support level holds firm, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for quantum computing, based on various analyst sources, is classified as a sell. Now, let us examine some recent insider trades. On the 4th of October, 2024, Weimer Carl Scott executed an insider purchase of 100,000 shares of options to acquire common stock. On the same day, Termel Michael C. also conducted an insider purchase of 100,000 shares of options to acquire common stock. Again, on the 4th of October, 2024, Fagenson Robert B. made an insider purchase of 100,000 shares of options to acquire common stock. Additionally, on the 4th of October, Baumler Christopher performed an insider purchase of 125,000 shares of options to acquire common stock. On the 3rd of October, 2024, Baumler Christopher also completed an insider purchase of 259,700 shares of common stock. Evaluating the 74 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 76.563. Overall, insiders have acquired a total of 56,150,711 shares, while selling 1,291,445 shares in the last 74 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $5.92, which reflects a decrease of 2.96%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a high level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 4 days ago. Is quantum computing stock a good buy? Quantum Computing Incorporated presents several positive indicators. However, these are not sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is recommended to consider it a hold candidate, which means you may want to either maintain your position or accumulate more shares while monitoring future developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation of this stock from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate stance since our last assessment. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems have determined that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 25th of November, we predict that quantum computing will open lower by 430 cents, starting the day at $5.67. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge your responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.